Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel Binance orders. Whether your market conditions have changed or you simply wish to adjust your strategy, knowing how to cancel an order is a fundamental skill. It allows you to maintain control over your funds and adapt quickly to market movements. We will cover the straightforward process for both single and multiple order cancellations. To cancel a single open order, first log into your Binance account and go to the Open Orders section. Here, you will see all your active buy and sell orders. Simply find the order you wish to cancel and click the Cancel button or the small trash can icon located next to its details. Remember, only orders that have not been fully filled can be canceled, and there are no fees for doing so. For those times when you need to clear your order book quickly, Binance offers a convenient way to cancel multiple orders at once. On the Open Orders page, you will find a Cancel All Open Orders button. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm, and upon confirmation, all your active trades will be removed. This feature is incredibly useful for rapid strategy adjustments or during volatile market conditions. When managing your orders, remember that you cannot directly edit an existing order. You must cancel it and then place a new one with your desired parameters. The good news is that Binance does not charge any fees for canceling orders, giving you full flexibility. While there are generally no strict limits on how many times you can cancel, avoid extremely rapid or excessive cancellations to ensure smooth trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.